Hello everybody, my name is Anna and today I'm going to be playing Dead Silence. So let's go right into a video because I don't have much time to record this. Yeah, I can only record for 50 seconds, so hello, my name is Anna and today... Oh god, come on. So let's get right into the vids. Waiting for my friend. Patiently. So... let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go find. Let's go! Let's go! Or I'll even slurp more for you on my drink. Ah, that kind of hurts, actually. Come on, let's go! Let's go. What the hell, funk? What the hell, funk? Wait, why are your hands unattached and your hair is in your hand? That's kind of beautiful. Really beautiful. Like, look how her hair is just sticking right through her hand and her hands are disconnected. Let's go! God's sake. Don't let it be such a scat cat. So... got it choked there. Yeah, I'm grand. I need a hammer so I can beat the hell out of my friend. Just joking, he too innocent. She too innocent. I drink till I live. Let's go back now. Back we go. I'm so scared. Yeah, someone's gonna mentally kill me. Come on. This is meant to be the scariest game in Roblox, which I don't understand why. No, I think we played this, but it isn't recorded, so we can't play this. In the vent flying, we entered. Oh, we're gonna die now. Well, sucks for us. Throat problems. Come on, let's go, sweetie. Let's go, sweetheart. God's sake, I don't have to repeat myself, do I? In you go. Humans first. Ah, what the hell is that? Oh my. This is where it appears. So FNAF would be real. This is where I pray that FNAF is real. I should get back now. Oh, that looks like... what's it? Strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberry juice. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I put strawberry juice there so it won't be a bit too violent. Because, oh my god, her legs are unattached too. Why? 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 I want to be shoved in one of those seats. We're on a road. We're gonna die. Phone guy! Pug guy! Phone guy! This is why I was ready for FNAF to be real. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I don't want to die. Okay, I just died and I don't want to die. That's sad. Anyways, Mama, Papa, you home? You home? Mama, Papa, you home? Mama, Papa, you home? I just got hit by a car. I'm in train. Are you home, Mama, Papa? You don't care about me, do you? Mommy. What happened? What happened? Wow, Mama. Oh my god, this looks like school. This looks like school. Come on, let's get out of here. Yep. Oh god, that just randomly opened. I'm so strong. I can just open it with my mind. Let's go. Sweetie, don't be scared. That door this behind. I don't understand that type of bloody language. Did you open this? I'm scared. I'm scared. My heart went whoop. I'm scared to go now. I saw someone. That was Mama. That was Mama. Crazy. Okay, come on, let's go. A restroom. I want to go to a restroom. I think it was Iris Jack. Where do I get that so much? Come on, let's go in here. There's nothing sketchy around here. Just go straight and never look at it. No, you see that right there. Hi dude, hi dude. Hi dude, dude. Hi dude, hi dude. Oh, that's Eyeless Jack. That's Jeff. No, that. I think that was Jenny. I think that was Jenny. That's dumb, Jack. That's Eyeless Jack there. Let's go say hi. You guessed Mommy's nickname. Yes. Yes. That's Papa. It's Papa up there. Papa up there. Let's say hi. Let's say hi. Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. How you doing? Papa. Papa. Where Papa go? Papa go. Oh wait, I don't have a key. She can never have the key. No, you're not dumb. I'm telling you, she's not. You're not dumb. You're not dumb. You're not dumb. You're not dumb. I'm dumb that I said that. God, let's get the key. Get the key. How am I so racist with this? I'm so scared though. Where's the key? That's where we came from. Mama rice button isn't there. Mummificated mama isn't there. God, that's terrible. There it is. Found it. Got it. Come on, let's go. Sister, let's go or I'll kill you. No, I won't. I would never kill you. Oh, wow. Is this Papa a workshop? Why am I going so slow? There's nobody here. Oh, wow. Cell 1 is open. Let's go back to cell 1. Let's go back to cell 1. What the hell? Feels like I've played this before. Oh my god, sister, come on. We don't have much time. Don't have enough time to cook. I'm gonna post a part 2. Oh god, sorry that you did not hear me barely. I'm gonna post a part 2 because I only have a max timing to be able to record. This looks really welcoming. Oh, strawberry juice. Strawberry juice. I would sell one. Sister, where the hell are ya? Here, strawberry juice. Yeah, yay. Right here, look. Oh, that's there. That's there. Very good. Oh, honestly. Wow, they had to. Oh, she's in there, silense. Oh god. Hey! Yeah, get out of here. Get out of here. What was. No, that actually broke my screen for a second. Oh my god. Come up here, I'm scared. Mama, Papa, I miss you so much. Where the hell are you? Sis in here. I am going to post the party. I'm sorry you didn't hear me again for like 10 minutes. Careful! Carefully! I got light on her just in case she dies. Not die, but well done, Fang. I'm grand at this because I'm on PC. Come on, move it. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna rush you. Okay, at least they put a board there now because like once I fell, I had no board. Oh, you can still fall basically. Sis, you can do this. Don't worry. Come on. Look down. Look at the board. Careful. No, did you not fall? No, she didn't. Walk carefully, you're gonna fall off right there. Alright, this is so much time. Okay. Imagine just falling like right here. I can't zoom out to see if okay, friend, carefully. Now we jump. Jump. Okay, we go. Let go. Let's go. Got it up. Oh, more strawberry juice. No, you actually added more. Oh god, that's even worse. Oh god, someone's blood that came out from a different spot. Friend, I can't see you. Oh, phew. It doesn't end. Oh, it ends. Oh, never mind. If we see her in the vent, this is actually really scary. Come in. Come in. Come in. Good. Come in. It run. I told you that's her blood. It runs like water, like oh, disgusting. You go first. Oh, and this is the end of part 1. Hope you enjoyed and see you in part 2.